How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how to buy Spotify Premium on your device. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the Spotify app. Please note that you won't be able to get Premium directly from the app on an iPhone or iPad. On the Premium section, there is no upgrade button due to the lack of in-app browsing support on iOS devices. If you were on Android, you could get the premium directly from the application. Open Safari and go to Spotify.com. Sign into your account, then tap on three lines icon at the top right. Here you will find the option called Premium at the very top. Tap on the Premium tab, where you'll find the various options. Choose a plan. Enter your payment details such as PayPal, credit, or debit card information, and then tap on the Buy Now button. After purchasing Premium from your browser, log into the app using the same account. Remember, you cannot get Premium directly from the application. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.